Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later for my college, I get to know about XLR and I enrolled in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge. Here they're not only focusing on study, they are also conducting different exam to test our knowledge, and as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped. So I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college.
Uh, Hey guys, good evening. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Could you please confirm the chat box? Okay, thank you. Yeah. See, in today's class, we are going to discussing about SonarQube. So, what is a SonarQube? Why is SonarQube? And also, we have to discuss about auto scaling in AWS. I still it is in my mind. I will complete it. Don't bother about. So, in today's class, we are going to discussing about what is exactly SonarQube, how we can able to use this SonarQube. By using the SonarQube, how we can able to check the code quality of any application. See, in software development lifecycle, we have dev environment, test environment, UAT environment, and production environment. See, in test, there is a second stage, that is a testing environment or QA environment. See, by the QA or testing team, they can check the code quality of your application. They will run test cases. So they will check, they will test the code. So how many bugs are there? How many issues are there? How many vulnerabilities are there? How many code smells are there? How many issues are there? So all these things, testing team will be tested. But as a DevOps engineer, why you need to understand why you need to check the code quality of your application? Because of, see, as a DevOps engineer, you should also understand what is the code quality of your application. But as a DevOps engineer, you don't need to, you don't know about how to run the test cases, how to write the test cases. See, all these things you don't know about, Selenium, all these things. But even though as a DevOps engineer, you should learn, or you should to know how to check the code quality of your application. How can you check? That is all about SonarQube. So now let me explain what is exactly SonarQube. Let me share my screen. My screen is visible to everyone. So now let me explain what is exactly code for SonarQube. Let me write some points of what is exactly SonarQube. And also let me increase the font size. See, first point you need to understand about, so it is a completely open source platform. It is completely open source platform. See, open source platform is nothing but anyone can use. So there is no any restrictions. So you don't need to pay anything if you want to use this SonarQube. So it is a completely open source platform. See, mainly it will use in DevOps context. Mainly it will use in DevOps context. So that is the second point. So then you have to understand about what are the benefits of SonarQube. So if you learn the SonarQube as a DevOps engineer, what are the benefits? See, first benefit is you can able to check the code quality. You can check the code quality. You can check the code quality of your application. That means you can call SonarQube is a code quality check tool. That is all about SonarQube. So you can check the code quality. You can find out bugs. You can find out bugs. And also you can find out errors. You can find out errors. And also you can easily find out code smells. How many code smells are there in your application? So by using the SonarQube only, you can able to check the code smells. And also you can find out vulnerabilities. It is very, very important. See, if you take any application, there will be a vulnerabilities. See, vulnerabilities will cause your application make downtime and bugs also. So you need to understand about how many vulnerabilities are there, how many bugs are there, how many errors are there, how many code smells are there. See, if for suppose if your application having bugs, errors, code smells, vulnerabilities, see that application will not give good user experience to your end users. So customers can switch into another application. So the client may lost customers. So for avoiding these disadvantages, as a DevOps engineer, you should know about SonarQube. That is all about code quality tool. Now you have to understand about how can you install the SonarQube server. See, how can you set up a SonarQube server? How can you check the code quality of by SonarQube? So this is the theoretical part. It is completely open source platform. It will use in DevOps context. So next benefits, we have major benefits 5. You can check the code quality, bugs, errors, code smells, and vulnerabilities. And also it will give you a detailed report. It will give a detailed report of your application code, your application. So you can share this report with development team. See here, for suppose, here you found some bugs. You found some bugs. So do you need to it is your responsibility to fix these bugs? No, because of you didn't develop this application. The responsibility is who was the developer of this application, who has written the application source code for this application. For them only you have to intimate, you have to communicate. So hey dev team, just now I checked the code quality of our application by using SonarQube. I have found some bugs. So I am providing the report. Please take a look on it. Try to fix these bugs as soon as possible. So like that, you have to communicate to the development team. You should not resolve or you should not fix these bugs because of you haven't written this code. You don't know about development team. For example, if you know about developing and programming languages, it is not your responsibility. It is development responsibility. So that is the thing you have to remember. So now let me explain how you can able to set up a SonarQube server. Whenever you want to check the code quality of your application, first thing you need one server. You need you need you need to set up you need to set up you need to set up a SonarQube server. Whenever you want to check the code quality of your application, you need to set up a SonarQube server. Then you can check the code quality. You can check the code quality. So now let me explain how to set up a SonarQube server. So for that, there are multiple commands are there. So don't bother about. I have prepared a complete document. By using the document, you can able to set up a SonarQube server. So first, let me open the document. SonarQube server installations. So this is the document. Don't bother about this document. I will provide this document with you. Just focus on how I'm going to setting up this SonarQube server. Yeah. So for that, we need one AWS EC2 instance. Okay. Now let me. Why it's not coming the Zoom? One second. Now it's coming. Can anyone provide our AWS account? I don't have my account. Still it is blocking. I didn't create any account. Can someone text me in the chat box? You can text me directly. I stopped my screen share. Thank you, Agarwal. Let me copy. Just give me a moment. I will log in into the AWS account. Hayab.
Stream voice is too low.
Yes. The password. Yeah. Thank you, Agarwal. I just logged in into your account. Now let me share my screen. Just 1 second. Yeah. So for that, you need to create one EC2 instance. So first, let me go to the document. There you can able to find out. Yeah. See, firstly, you need to choose one Amazon Linux OS. See, in this case, whenever you want to launch SonarQube server by using this document, okay? Whenever you are going to following this document, for that time you should choose Amazon Linux, not Ubuntu OS. Okay, Ubuntu OS will not work by using these commands. See, whatever I have developed here, these commands. See, it is M. M is a package manager for Amazon Linux OS operating system, not Ubuntu operating system. For Ubuntu operating system, it is APT. So that's why I'm telling, whenever you are going to setting up a SonarQube server by using this document, please choose Amazon Linux here. Okay, I provided a name, then I'm choosing Amazon Linux, then come down. See, better to take T2 medium because of it will have some load. So that's why better to take T2, sorry, T3. Okay, T3 medium, that's fine. T3 medium is fine. Now, let me create one key pair. I think it is a different region. Okay, let me create one key pair. Sona-25. Choose PPK format. Click create key pair. Come down. I'm choosing existing key pair, existing security group. Now I'm giving up to 15 GB. That's it. Now let me launch our instance. See, instance has been created. SonarQube, I think demo is Agarwal. Okay, now let me connect. Click on connect. Click on SSH client. Copy the host name or IP address, whatever you want. Open the putty server. Provide. Then click on appearance. Click on change. Change the font size as 14. Connection 60 SSH. Auth. Credentials. Browse. Choose your key pair. My key pair is Sona-25. Open. Then click on accept. See, it's up. Now it's connected. What is the first step you need to do whenever you launch any server? You need to become as a root user by using the sudo command. So now you need to update your operating system. In Ubuntu, we know what is the command apt update -y. But in Amazon Linux, apt will not work because of package manager will be differ. So what is the package manager? M. So this is the M package manager for Amazon Linux. See, for Amazon Linux, Red Hat OS, CentOS. For 3 operating system, package manager is M. Don't bother about. Please remember the difference. Now let me update my OS. See, it's updating. Yeah, it's updating. Nothing to do. Complete. So now let me go to the document. Let me execute one by one. So what is the first command? 1 second. Yeah. So for already we have done sudo sudo space su space becoming as a root user. So then you need to install Java because Java is the prerequisite software whenever you want to set up a SonarQube. So for that you need to execute this command. Okay, let me copy this command. Let me copy this command. Now 1 second, it will give any error. No need to worry. That's fine. Now come to our server, just paste it, hit the enter. See, it is installing. Please look at the screen. Whenever you are executing any command, please take a look on it. Sometimes it will ask, is this okay? It is asking yes or no. You have to type Y because of you have to give permission yes, hit the enter. So then only the command will be executed. Someone by mistakenly don't look that disclaimer. So that's why they will get error. Now let me go to the document. What is the second command? You had execute this command. See, before if you execute this command, inside the bracket, I written something. If it will give error, no need to worry. Try to check the Java version. Okay. After executing this second command, if you get any error, don't bother about it. Directly you can check the Java version. See, it is telling cannot load the RPM files. cannot open the files. It's a kind of error. Don't bother about. Directly you can check the Java version. Now we can able, if you see Java version, you can able to, that means the Java has been installed successfully on your server. So let me check, hit the enter. See, now I can able to see the Java version, open JDK 11, Java 11 version I have installed. So that's it too. What is the next step? Now you need to download the SonarQube server software. So for that, you need to execute this command. See, in any Linux server, there is some default directories are available. So similarly, here also we have some default directory, that is /opt. Here I mention /opt. It is a default directory which is available by default in any Linux server. So now we need to enter this directory. So that's why I'm using this command, cd change directory. Then I mention directory name opt. See, now I mentioned the opt directory. See, if you give ls, see, something is available, AWS file is available. No, don't bother about. Now go to the document. You need to install this two softwares. See, wget is one of the tool, unzip is the one of the tool. I explained about wget. So what is the use of wget in Linux commands? See, wget is nothing but, so this is the URL for installing the download. This is the URL. Whenever you want to install something by using the URLs, before the URL, you should use wget command. So that's why you need to install wget software on your server. So that's it. Once you install this software, this SonarQube server by using this zip file, you need to unzip this file. See, this is a zip file. You need to unzip. How can you unzip? You should install unzip software on your server. So here there is a command for unzipping your zip file. There is a command for downloading your SonarQube server by using URL. So that's why here I used wget command, unzip command. Before executing these two commands, you should install wget and unzip tools on your terminal. So that's why I'm executing this command. Okay, now let me go to the server, just paste it, hit the enter. See, the commands are installed. So now let me go to the second command, next command. So you need to execute this command. See, this command will help to download SonarQube server in the form of zip file. Let me execute. See, it is installing. If you give ls, see, there is zip file. So now you need to unzip this file. Then only SonarQube server will be installed or will be run on your server. Otherwise, it won't work. So now let me do that one also. Go to the document, copy unzip command. Okay, copy unzip command. Please make sure the version, sometimes version will be differ. See, this version you have to cross check. The 9.6.1, 59531. Same version you have to check for 9.6.1, 59531. So now it is same. Now you can unzip your file, zip file. See, it is unzipping. Okay, it's completed. Now go to the document, copy the next command. See, you need to change the file name. I told you what is the command for changing any file name, that is MB. If you give ls, okay. See, the file, this is the unzipped file. This is zip file. Now you need to rename this file as SonarQube only. So how can you rename this file? By using this command, mv command. Okay, copy this command, come to here, just paste it, hit the enter. See, this is my old file name. This is the old file name. This is my new file name, SonarQube. So I'm using mv command. All you have discussed about mv command. If you hit the enter, give ls, the file name has been changed. So this is how mv command will work for changing the file. So now, as a good security practice, SonarQube server is not advised to run Sonar service as a root user. See, that means here I'm as a root user. It is clearly telling it is not good practice to run your Sonar server as a root user. So that's why create a new user called Sonar and give permissions to manage Sonar services as follows. So for that, just one second. Sorry for the disturbance. So now let me explain how to create a user for SonarQube server. So what is the command? I have provided a command. Copy this command, come to your Linux server, just paste it in. See, in Linux server, whenever you want to, in Linux server, whenever you want to create any user, you can use this command, user add, then provide a name for your user. The user could be anything. You can give whatever you want. You can give your name, you can give my name, you can give your friend name. But the command is user add. If someone will ask, what is the command to create a user in Linux server? The command is user add. So remember this command. Hit the enter. See, user has been created. Now go to the document. What is the next step? You need to give sudo access to run to the Sonar user. Because of sudo means sudo will give administrator access level of permissions. So that's why you need to provide a sudo access to your Sonar user. So for that, you need to open this file. Okay. Now let me open this file. Come to your Sonar terminal. Just paste it. Hit the enter. See, the file has been opened. Now you need to add this permission line. See, this command will give sudo access to your Sonar user. So copy this command. Now come to your server. Where you need to add that command, you need to find out root line. Just slowly look at the screen. Slowly scroll down. See, I'm scrolling my screen. Scrolling down. Look for root line. Look for root line. Where it is. Yeah. If you look at my screen, there is a line, root line. See, there is a comment. Allow root to run any command anywhere. So exactly under root, you need to add that command. Just paste it. See, sonar all is equal to all, no password. All that means it won't ask any password for your user. So now you need to close this file. Remember, the file did not open in VI editor mode. I explained about VI editor mode. See, if you open any file in VI editor mode, you should, if you want to close this file, VI editor mode type file, if you want to close, you should use escape plus colon WQ. See, this will work for VI editor mode, but this file has been open nano type. See, nano VI both are for opening any file. So that is the difference. Now, how can you close these nano type files? How can you close these nano files? For that, you need to, on your keyboard, Control plus X plus, you need to enter. So this is the command you have to, this is the shortcut you have to follow whenever you open any file in nano type, in nano mode. So now let me do that one also. Control X, Control Y, hit the enter. See, Control Y, Control X plus, then Control plus Y. So this is the command. Control X, Control Y, then enter. So this is the command. Remember this command. See, the file has been saved and closed. Now go to the document. See, you need to provide some owner and group permissions to your SonarQube directory. So for that, I have some commands. So by using these commands, we can able to provide some owner and group permissions. So copy this command. Copy. Come to your server, paste it. That's it. Now copy the next command. Come to your server, paste it, hit the enter. Now go to the document, come to the server, come to here, paste it, hit the enter. That's it. See, now I become as a Sonar user. Previously, I'm as a root user. By executing this command, I'm become as a Sonar user. So that is the thing you have to remember. Now you need to execute this command. Execute this command, come to your server, paste it, hit the enter. So now you need to start your SonarQube server. See, by using this command, you can able to start your SonarQube server. Copy this command, come to your server, just paste it, hit the enter. See, starting SonarQube, started SonarQube. So now you need to check the status of your SonarQube server, whether it is running or not, whether it is active or not. How can you check? What is the command? I explained already. How can you check the Apache to server status? Same command you have to use, but you have to replace SonarQube. That's it. Service. For suppose if you don't know the command, in the document also I provided. Where it is, yeah. See, these commands. By using this command, you can able to check the status. Okay. Now let me come to here. Service. Sonar status. If you want, you can just do cross check. See, this is the Sonar service name. Okay. Same you can able to use. This command also it will work. Sorry, service Sonar status. You can check this command. If that command is not working, you can use this command. Yeah, don't bother about. It is telling unit sonar.servers could not be found, but it has been installed. It has been started. So don't bother about. Sometimes it will not show the status. Okay. Now let me try to access your SonarQube server. Okay. How can you access? So for that, you need to open the port number 9000 because of SonarQube server will be run on port number 9000 only. So you in your security group or firewalls, you should open your port number of SonarQube server 9000. So come to here, come to the security group. Let's, yeah, only two port numbers are opened, 8022. So now you need to enable port number 9000. Click on the edit inbound rules, click on the add rule, go with custom TCP, then type 9000. Then select anywhere IPv4. Now then save your rule. Now copy your public IP address of your server. Copy. Come to your server, open new tab, paste your IP address, column 9000. Hit the enter. See the SonarQube is opening. Don't bother about, sometimes it will not show you the status. So it will give error like this. Don't bother about, okay? Just try to access your SonarQube server. So now you need to provide a credentials. See by login name, login and password. See the username and password, default is admin. Default username is admin. Default password is also admin. Now click on the login. Click on the login, okay. Then change your old password, new password. See what is our old password? Admin is our old password. Please remember, if you forget your new password, it is not possible to resolve this password, to get it back. Again, you need to set up your server again. So that's why, please remember, whenever you are providing a new password, please remember the password. Please give easy password, okay? I'm providing only PASS, because of it is very easy to remember for me. Now let me update. Never. See, this is the home page of SonarQube server. So this is the how you can able to set up a SonarQube server. Now the task is, how can you check the code quality? What is the command to checking the code quality? So for that, you need to create a project. Whenever you want to check the code quality of your application, you need to create one project. One project. You need to create one token. You need to create one token. See, these two things you have to create whenever you want to check the code quality. How can I do that? Let me explain. See, this is my SonarQube server homepage. See, there is option manually. Now I'm going to explaining how to create a project. Okay, click on the manually. You need to provide a project name. For suppose I'm giving a demo iPhone application. So this is my project name. Then click on the setup. Click on the setup. Now you need to choose the option. See, there is Jenkins, GitHub Actions, Bitbucket, GitLab, pipelines, other CA. Now locally. See, you should go with the locally option. Click on the locally. Now you need to provide a token. Okay. How can you generate a token? Can you provide a name? If you see, there is a default a name for token. You can give whatever you want. For suppose I'm giving Murli iPhone token. You can give whatever you want. Don't bother about. Now expiration date. You can set up 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, or no expiration. For it is printing purpose. So that's why I'm going with 30 days only. Now click on the generate. See, the token has been generated. See, this is my token. See, please, this token will not be available if you go to the another page. So that's why you need to make sure copy and save it somewhere. See, it will use for future purpose also. So that's why I'm saving here. That's clear. If you forget to save this token, if you go to the another page, again you don't need to get again you cannot get it back. Again you need to create another token. So that is the disadvantage. You have to remember. Now click on the continue. See, here you need to choose what option best describe your build. See, now I'm going to checking the Maven based application code quality. So that's why I'm going with the Maven option. Please go with this Maven option. Same repository I will provide with you guys. You can try to work on it. Now click on the Maven. So this is the how we can able to create a project. See, here we have one command, mvn clean verify sonar:sonar. By using this command, you can able to check the code quality. So how can you check how can you run this command? Where you should run this command? Let me explain. So firstly, you need to go to the repository, get your repository. Firstly, you need to get your repository. You go to your repository. Let me search for Maven. Yeah, this is Maven iPhone web application. Click. Okay. Now you need to understand about pom.xml file. There is a pom.xml file. You need to open this pom.xml file. Inside the pom.xml file, you need to configure, see, SonarQube URL, SonarQube username, SonarQube password. So now let me explain. How can you update? See, whenever you want to edit something on your GitHub repository, you need to open the edit file. Click on the edit this file. Now come to here. You need to remove this old URL. So this is the old URL. Let me remove. That's it. So now you can go to the SonarQube server, copy your URL. See, copy the URL up to port number only. Okay. Copy, come to your repository, just paste it here. So remove the extra forward slash. Remove the extra forward slash. That's it. Now my username is admin. I don't want change. Now my password is different. Let me update it. See, my password is pass. See, then only, for suppose if you forget to update your SonarQube URL, username and password, the server will not check your code quality. It will throw an error. So that's why I'm explaining. Please open the pom.xml file, open edit mode, then update your SonarQube URL, provide the username and provide the correct password. Now you need to commit your changes. How can you commit? Open, click on the commit changes. Again, click on the commit changes. See, the changes has been committed. If you want, you can do cross check. What are the last 5 digits? 13670. 13670. Okay. Now you need to clone this repository into your local server. You need to clone this repository into your local server. So let me clone. You can clone wherever you want. The location you have to choose. The location It is your wish. Now I want to choose cd space dot dot give dir. Now I want to clone this folder, workspace folder only. Workspace. Okay, already I have Maven web application for repository. Now let me delete it. Go to the file manager, go to the Windows C drive, open the workspace, delete Maven web application repository. That's it. Now go to the command prompt. Just give again, check the dir command. See, dir is nothing but in Linux, if you want to list out any files, what command we will use? ls command. But in Windows, if you want to see files or folders, you should use dir command. Okay. Now hit the enter. See, there is no any folder named Maven-web application. Now try to clone. See, how can you clone any repository? Not only your command prompt. Wherever you want to clone any repository. See, clone is nothing but copying. Okay. From one place to another place. Git clone. If someone, for example, if you buy any new phone, it will tell you if you want to clone your old phone, your old mobile photos, videos. See, the option will be there. What is the clone? Clone is nothing but copying the data from one place to another place. Similarly, my repository is available on GitHub repository. Now I want to copy that entire repository into my local server. What is the command? I have to use git clone command. That is about git clone command. Just type git clone, then paste your URL, repo URL. Hit the enter. See, it's cloning. Now give dir. Hit the enter. Look for the repository. Yes, it is there. Maven-web application. Now you need to give you need to enter inside the repository URL. If you want to execute that command, you should enter inside the repository. How can I do that? Same cd command will work here also. Now enter. If you give dir, I can able to see all files, all files of my repository. See, there is a formed XML file. Okay. Now you need to understand about how can you check the code quality. What is the command? So this is the command here to execute. MVN clean verify sonar sonar. See, for that, if you want to execute that MVN clean verify sonar, you just need to install two softwares. You just need to install two softwares. What are they? Let me explain. Firstly, you need to install Java on your laptop. Install Java, then install Maven. Okay. If you don't know how to install Java, how to install Maven, just let me show you. Open new tab. Just type install Java on Windows. Hit the enter. Now come to here. Click on the download Java. Slowly choose. Okay. Slowly scroll down. See, this is for Windows. This is for Mac OS. This is for Linux. Okay. If you want to install Windows, just click on the size. You can choose file size 2.6 GB, 2.6 GB, 38.6 GB. If I click on here, see, it is downloading. Okay, like that you can able to download Java. Similarly, let me come to here Java Oracle. Yes. Sorry for that. Not this link. Don't go this the link. Please go with this Java download Oracle. Come to here. Look for your system architecture. Click on the. See, this is Linux. This is Mac OS. This is Windows. Okay. Choose your system architecture. Then click on here. It will download 24, Java 24. Okay. Now you can download it. Similarly, you can install Maven also. How install Maven on Windows and Windows? See, install Apache Maven. Click on here. So slowly scroll down. Now come to downloads. Yeah. Scroll down. Yes. Here you can able to choose your based upon your requirement. You can download it. Okay. Tar zip file is available, zip file is available, tar zip file is available, src zip file is available. So now you can just click on here. The link, the Apache Maven will be downloaded. If you click on here, it will be downloaded into your local server. So this is how you can able to install Java and Maven. Without installing Java and Maven, you cannot run this command, this Maven clean verify. So already I have installed Java and Maven. If you want, I will show you the version. Java space ---- version. See, it is showing, and also MVN space ---- version. Yeah, Maven version also available. Apache Maven 3.9. Okay. Now let me execute the command. What is the command I copied? Just MVN clean verify sonar:sonar. Hit the enter. See, it will give some layers. It will form some layers. See, it is checking the code quality. It is checking the code quality. It will give success output. It will give success as output. See, we got build success. That means successfully we have checked the code quality of your application. Okay. Now let me go to the SonarQube server. If you click on the project, what will happen? See, demo-app. This is our project name. This is our repository name. See, it's showing password. See, your application has been, if your application will pass all conditions by SonarQube, then only you have to deploy your application in production environment. If it is not passed, you have to check the issue. Where is the issue? Why this application is not passed by the SonarQube? See, if you look at my screen, bugs, 33 bugs are there. Vulnerabilities 0 are there. Hotspots 0%. Code smells 1. Coverage 0.0%. Duplicates 0.0%. Lines 487 lines are there in our pom.xml file. Okay. Now you need to open this repository. See, if I click on demo-project, now come back. If I click on the Maven repository, see, passed all conditions. So I got the output passed all conditions. That means my application has been passed all conditions. See, if you want to see where is the exactly bug, just click on the number. See, clearly it is telling by line. Where is the line? Where is the exactly bug? Add lang and add XML:lang attributes to this element. So these are the bugs. It is not your responsibility to fix these bugs. You have to communicate with your developer. Hey, developer, I have found around 33 bugs in our application source code. Please take a look on it. Try to fix as soon as possible these bugs. So this is how, as a DevOps engineer, you should communicate into to the development team. So this is all about DevOps is all about communicate, collaborate. So this is the about SonarQube. What is the SonarQube? Why SonarQube? How set up a SonarQube server? How to create a SonarQube project? How to create a SonarQube token? How to check the code quality? How to clone the repository? How to provide your SonarQube credentials inside the pom.xml file? All these things we have discussed. So click on the security hotspots. You can able to check the security hotspots also. Click on the measures. You can able to check the measures also. Click on the code. You can able to get the code. See, this pom.xml file has contained 124 lines. This SRC main folder has contained 363 lines. See, bugs 33, vulnerabilities, bug code smells 1, security hotspot, all these things. Activity, you can able to check the activity. So if you want to click on the overview, you can get the over him. So this is all about Sonar or Cube. So this is the manual process. Whatever I explained so far, it is a manual deployment, manual code quality checking process. But you have to automate this process. How can you automate? You should understand about how to automate this deployment process, this setuping process. That is, for that you should understand about Jenkins. See, that means you have to automate this code quality checking process by using the Jenkins pipeline. That means you have to create one Jenkins pipeline. Inside the Jenkins pipelines, you have to write one stage for SonarQube. Then only Jenkins will automatically check the code quality. So this is all about SonarQube. So now let us understand what is Jenkins, why Jenkins, how we can able to set up a Jenkins server, how we can able to checking the code quality of your application by using the Jenkins pipeline. So for that, let me open a PPT. I have one PPT regarding the Jenkins. Now let me open it. So this is this is all about SonarQube. Come to here. Search for Jenkins. Yeah. So this is the, now you have to understand about Jenkins. See, what is Jenkins? Why Jenkins? See, first let me explain Jenkins introduction. See, Jenkins is a CI/CD tool. It is also completely open source platform. You don't need to pay anything. It's completely open source and free of cost. So Jenkins is an open source automation server. It will help automate the parts of software development lifecycle. See, what are the steps? What are the parts are available in software development? Building is there, testing is there, deploying is there, facilitating is there, continuous integration is there, continuous delivery is also there. So you have to automate these building stage, testing stage, deploying stage by facilitating the continuous integration and continuous delivery. See, CA stands for continuous integration. Here, focus on here. CA stands for continuous integration. CD stands for continuous delivery and deploy. So that is all about CI/CD Jenkins tool. So it is a server-based system that runs in servlet containers. That means you can able to run this Jenkins server as a Apache Tomcat. So that is all about servlet server. See, what is the initial release? That means when Jenkins was introduced into the market. Sorry. In 2011, February 2, Jenkins initially released into the market. So who was the developer? Kosuke Kawaguchi. Kosuke Kawaguchi was the developer who invented this Jenkins into the market in the year of 2011. So that is the initial release date. But what is the stable release when it was introduced into the market? That is all about 2023. In the year of 2023, the Jenkins stable release was released. So that is all about Jenkins induction. What is Jenkins? How Jenkins will help, and also who was the developer who invented this Jenkins, and when it was introduced. So this is the brief introduction of Jenkins. Now let us understand what is Jenkins, why we use this Jenkins. Because Jenkins is an open source automation tool written in Java. That means the Jenkins tool was developed by the Java programming language with the plugins built for continuous integration. That means Jenkins is all about plugins. Okay, what is plugin? Here, Jenkins is an open source platform. That's fine. It has written in Java language. That are also fine. But they are telling written in Java with plugins. With plugins built for continuous integration. What is plugin? Plugin is nothing but a piece of software. Remember, plugin is nothing but a piece of software. So with Jenkins, organizations can accelerate the software development process. That means if you take any software development, there is a process. You have to automate all this process. It is called automation. You should not create you should not run any manual deployments. You should not do any manual deployments. You should automate entire application deployment process. How can you automate the entire application deployment process? By using the Jenkins CI/CD tool only. This Jenkins CI/CD tool will automate entire your software development lifecycle process to the automation. So Jenkins integrates development lifecycle process all kinds of including building, documenting, testing, packaging, staging, deploy, static analysis, and more. That means in development cycle, there is a building, there is a documenting, there is a testing, there is a packaging, there is a staging, there is a deploying, there is a static analysis. See all these kind of life cycle process of development, Jenkins will integrate and will automate this process. So that is all about Jenkins. So whenever developers write the code, that means developers only will develop the code. The code, sorry, one second. Developers will develop the code. The code is available on GitHub repository. So you need to clone that the application repository from the GitHub. So for that, you need to integrate all the code. Whenever you want to integrate all the code which was developed by the developers, you need to build that code. You need to test that code. You need to deliver that code. You need to deploy that code to the client. The entire process is called CI and CD. That means by using the Jenkins pipeline, we can build our application, we can test our application, we can deliver and deploy the application to the end user or client. This entire process is called CI and CD. So this is all about what is Jenkins, why we use Jenkins. Okay, I'm stopping here. Now time is 8:02. Please take a break for 15 minutes. We will continue our session by 8:15. Please everyone come back by 8:15. We will continue by 8:15. Thank you. Take a break. Everyone go for a break. Yeah. Hey guys, I hope you came back. Confirm the chat box. Thank you, Sonia. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Charan, Bharat. So let me share my screen. So let us continue about Jenkins. What is Jenkins? Why Jenkins? Already we have discussed something about what is Jenkins. So what is Jenkins? Why Jenkins? We have discussed. So let me go to the next slide. So Jenkins can help achieving this. That means, for suppose there is application. For the application, you have to do multiple builds. So that means instead of doing night builds, build as and when commit occurs by integrating all the code in source code management tool. See, what is this meaning exactly? The code, whenever the developer develop the code, they will push their changes or they will push that updates. They will push their releases into GitHub repository. So when is the commit will occur to your GitHub repository, automatically Jenkins can integrate all the code. So that this is the meaning. Build as a build as and when commit occurs. See, commit occurs means whenever your GitHub repository having any commits, by immediately Jenkins will integrate all the code. So then it will build your application, it will test your application, it will check the code quality of your application. That is what continuous integration. That means you don't need to you don't need to check again and again. You don't need to build again and again. You don't need to test again and again. Once you set up a pipeline, then Jenkins automatically it will build a number of pipelines, a number of tests, a number of builds. So that is all about Jenkins. So for suppose in a day, there will be so many integrations, so many buildings, so many builds, so many tests, so many deliveries, so many deployments. Don't bother about it. You just click on the run your pipeline. There is an option. Click on a build now. Then the pipeline will be run. You can run. You can build any integrations, any number of builds, a number of tests, a number of deliveries, a number of deployments. So don't bother about, oh, I have to do so many integrations, so many builds, so many tests, so many deliveries. Don't bother about it. You just need to set up a pipeline. Then pipeline only, it will take care of a number of integrations builds. So then and also bugs will be reported fast and it will get rectified as fast. So development happens fast. So that is all about Jenkins. So Jenkins achieves last point of the last side is remaining, sir. What was the last point of last side? This one, right? Whatever the developers write the code. You are asking Ahmad? Yeah, let me explain. See, whenever developers write the code, we will integrate all that code at the time of point. That means whenever develop the code, they will push their code into GitHub repository. Once the code will be pushed into your GitHub repository, you have to integrate your code for building, for testing, for delivering, for deploying your application to whom? To the client or end user. This entire process is called CI/CD tool. So that's it. That is all about last point. Okay. Now we have to understand about Jenkins achieves continuous integrations with the help of plugins. So that means whenever you want to set up some tool with Jenkins. See, in DevOps, so we have multiple tools. SonarQube is there, Nexus is there, Maven is there, Docker is there, Kubernetes is there. See, we have understand about all these tools. See, if you want to integrate all these tools, SonarQube, Docker, Kubernetes, Maven, Nexus. You need to integrate all tools with your Jenkins pipeline. How can you integrate? But because you need to install those tools inside the Jenkins. Then only you can able to integrate all tools with Jenkins pipeline. But in Jenkins, you are not allowed to install softwares like just now I install software SonarQube. Just now I install SonarQube in my terminal. See, like this, you are not allowed to install something. It may be SonarQube, it may be Docker, it may be Kubernetes, it may be Nexus, it may be Maven. But you can install that tool related plugin. That means SonarQube is available in the form of plugin in Jenkins. Maven is available in the form of plugin in Jenkins. Nexus is available in the form of plugin in Jenkins. Docker also will be available in the form of plugin in Jenkins. Same Kubernetes, every tool, it will be available in the form of plugins only in Jenkins. So that means whenever you want to install any particular tool, whenever you want to integrate any tool with Jenkins, you should install a plugin. So that is all about last one. So plugins allow the integration of various DevOps stages. Okay. If you want to integrate a particular tool, you need to install the plugins for that tool. That's it. Plugin is nothing about a piece of software. So what are the benefits of continuous integration? You can easily detect bugs as soon as possible. You don't need to wait for 2 days, 1 day, 3 days. You can just detect bugs as soon as possible by running the pipeline. It is a one-time setup. You don't need to create again and again your pipeline. Okay. If you want, can stop your software development lifecycle process at any stage. Can stop. See, there will be a multiple stages: build stage, testing stage, Docker stage, Kubernetes stage, whatever you want. If you want to stop at any stage, you can stop it. Okay, that is all about benefits of continuous integration. And also, Jenkins will maintain history or logs for future reference. So don't bother about Jenkins only will take care of history and logs. So these are the benefits of continuous integration. Why only Jenkins? So far we have discussed what is Jenkins, why Jenkins, how can you use Jenkins. Now, why only Jenkins? Because it has so many plugins. You can write your own plugin. If you are good in plugins, you can write your own. Jenkins is not just a tool; it is a framework. That means you can do whatever you want. But the thing is, you need to install a plugin. Okay, but we can attach slaves. See, slaves are nothing but nodes. In Jenkins, we will have a master node. So you can able to instruct others to do job. For suppose, if slaves are not available, Jenkins only will do that job itself. So that is the power of Jenkins slaves. So Jenkins also act as a cron server replacement. See, what is exactly mean by cron server replacement? That means you can do repeated tasks automatically. For suppose, if you want to check code quality for 10 times, you can do. If you want to check the code quality for 20 times, 50 times, you can do repeated tasks automatically. So, for suppose running scripts regularly, for example, you can set up a automatic daily alarm, notification, email notification, SMS notification, all these things you can able to set up. That is all about Jenkins will act as a cron server replacement. So can create labels. That means can restrict where the project has to run. That means you can restrict your project by creating the labels. Okay, label will restrict your project, and also you will be accessing Jenkins through web only. That means it is not available in the form of desktop, in the form of Android app. You should access your Jenkins through web only. That means you should install your Jenkins on server, then go to the browser, your browser, open new tab, just try to access by using the URL of your Jenkins. That is all about. You will be accessing Jenkins through web only. That is the why only Jenkins. Okay, this is about all about what is Jenkins, why Jenkins. So now let me explain how to set up a Jenkins server, then how to integrate SonarQube with Jenkins pipeline, how to automate this code quality check process. So whatever I have explained so far, that is manual process. In real time, you are not allowed to do manual code quality checking. You should automate entire your application deployment process. So for that, you need Jenkins server. So on SonarQube server, already we have SonarQube server. So now let me explain how to how to set up a Jenkins server. So for that, you need another server also, another EC2 instance. So now let me explain how to how to set up a Jenkins server. Click on the launch EC2 instance, then provide a meaningful name to your server or Jenkins. Scroll down. Please choose Ubuntu OS. Okay. For SonarQube only, please choose Amelia Linux. For Jenkins, you can go with Ubuntu OS. It is very flexible. Now choose for Jenkins also, go with T2 Micro. Please go with the T2 medium. If you go to the T2 micro, T2 small, your Jenkins server may hang, may struck. So that's why, so key pair, you can use same key pair. Don't bother about. Now, select your security group. Configure storage also, I'm giving a 15 GB, it will require. Now, click on launch instance. Come to here. Just do refresh. Look for your Jenkins server. Yes, it's running. Now let me connect. Click on, copy your host name, your server host name, open Putty server. You can take a new session. Okay, how can you take new session? On top of screen, click on top of the screen, right click, look for new session. Take a new session, provide host name, click on appear, click on change, 14, connection, 60, SSH, auth, credentials, browse, Sona, open, accept, maximize. So now I have connected to my Jenkins server. So firstly, I need to become as a root user, then update your operating system. So now you need to understand about how to install Jenkins from the official document. Okay. Now let me explain how can you install Jenkins official document. So firstly, you need to go to the new tab. Just type install Jenkins on Ubuntu OS. So specify your operating system. So click on the install Jenkins. Click on here. You need to choose Linux. See, we have Docker, Kubernetes, Linux. Because of Ubuntu is a Linux family server. Okay. Click on the Linux. See, there is a Debian versus Ubuntu. Debian, Ubuntu both are same. Click on the Debian and Ubuntu option. So if you want to see demo how to install Jenkins, you can play the YouTube video. You can able to see the video. By seeing the video also, you can able to install Jenkins. So don't bother about. I will explain from the scratch only. So slowly scroll down. Please make sure here we have different operating systems. Say Debian is available, Fedora is available, Red Hat is available. Say for someone, sometimes someone by default will go with the Fedora options, Red Hat options. So please make sure you should go with the under Debian Ubuntu options only. You should copy, you should execute under Debian Ubuntu commands only. Slowly scroll down. See, now I'm inside the under Ubuntu or Debian. Slowly scroll down. So there is a two options, two releases are available. Long-term support release, weekly release. So every week the commands will be changed. So don't go with weekly release. Please go with long-term release support. So you have to execute all these commands at a time. Okay. You just click on here, copied, Now come to your Jenkins server, just paste the commands, hit the enter. See, it will ask sometime, is this okay to continue like that? Yeah, see, do you want to continue? Yes, type Y, hit the enter. That's it. Now go to the official document only. Slowly scroll down. So now we have installed long-term support release of Jenkins. Slowly scroll down. Slowly scroll down. Now you need to install Java. Because of why? Because of Jenkins has been written in Java language only. So that's why Java is the prerequisite. Jenkins requires Java to run. Okay. Now let me explain. See, you have to execute these two commands. Don't execute all these commands. Okay. This is the command for checking Java version. If you execute this version, you will get output this. This is output, not commands. So don't get confused. So first, let me execute update command. Come to the Jenkins server, paste it, hit the enter. Okay. Now you can install Java by using this command. See, this command will help Java. Now come to here, just paste it, hit the enter. Again, it is asking, do you want to continue? Yes, type Y, hit the enter. So now, okay, it's installing. Let's wait. Okay, it's done. Now go to the official document. You can check the Java version by using this command, whether Java is installed or not. See, if I execute this command, I will get this output. OpenJDK version, OpenJDK runtime, environment, OpenJDK 64-bit server. Let's see what will happen. Come here. See, I can able to get 3 lines. OpenJDK version, OpenJDK runtime, OpenJDK 64-bit. So now we have installed Jenkins, we have installed Java. Now, what is the next step? You have to enable your Jenkins server. Slowly scroll down. How can you enable? Slowly scroll down. See, this is Fedora. See, if you go with this Fedora options, okay? Slowly scroll down. See, there is a section is for start Jenkins. You can enable the Jenkins service to start at the boot with command. So, copy this command. Firstly, you need to enable your Jenkins server, paste it, hit the enter. Now you have to start your command. See, copy the start command. Come to your Jenkins server, paste it, hit the enter. See, it is showing job for Jenkins servers failed because the control process exited. See, don't bother about once you enable your Jenkins server, it will take 2-3 minutes for starting your Jenkins server. So that's why this is giving this error. Don't bother about. We will wait up to 2-3 minutes, then Jenkins server will start. Okay, don't bother about it. We will wait around 2-3 minutes, then it will start our Jenkins server. So meanwhile, let us create another project, because of we have to check another application what is that code quality. See, already we have tested. We have done code quality for Maven web application. So now this time we can check the code quality of different application via the Jenkins pipeline. Okay. For that, you need to create another project. Okay. Click on projects again here. So click on projects here again here. See, there is option create a project. So click on the create project. See, manually go the manually option. Then provide a project name for your project. For suppose I want to check the Netflix application. Okay. Netflix. Okay, this is my application name, project name. Then click on the setup. Go with locally. Token name is Netflix only. For suppose if already I have existing token, you can use existing token by using this option. You can provide existing token. No, don't bother about. So let me go with the existing token. Okay, this is the token. So that's why I copied for future reference. Okay, come to here. Provide your existing token. That's it. Then click on continue. Go with the Maven option only. Don't bother about. So you should use whenever you want to check the code quality by using Jenkins pipeline, you should not use this command. This command will help to check the code quality manually. But when it comes to automation process, you should provide this command inside your Jenkins pipeline script. Okay, I will explain that one also. Okay, we have created a project. That's fine. Now let me come to here your Jenkins server. Let me execute a start command again. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, now it is starting. sudo system ctl start Jenkins. Today I will take 10 more minutes. Please stay on the session because we have to complete this pipeline. Okay, we have 14 minutes left. Please stay another 10 more minutes for today only. Okay, start Jenkins server. That's it. Now you need to check the status of your Jenkins, whether your Jenkins is active or not. It is running or not. How can you check? By using this command. See, firstly, enable your Jenkins, start your Jenkins, status your Jenkins. Check the status. Come to here. Just paste it. Hit the enter. See, active and running. So it is showing end. Just press Control C. That's it. Okay. Now you need to access your Jenkins server. How can you access? Go to your EC2 instance. You have to open port number 8080 for Jenkins. That means Jenkins will run on port number 8080. So go to the security group. Go to the security group. Click on the security group ID. Click on the edit inbound rule. Click on the add rule. Go with the custom TCP only. Okay. Someone will open all traffic. Who did this? Okay, let me go with the 8080 custom option. Anywhere IPv4. Then save your role. It's Agarwal account. Who did this? Okay, let's find. Now, copy your public IP address of your server. Open your Jenkins, open new tab. Then paste your IP address. Mention the port number of Jenkins 8080. Hit the enter. See, it is loading. Now I can able to access. See, now you need to provide administrator access, administrator password. Where it is available? In this location, your administrator password is available. So copy this location, go to your Jenkins server, just type cat space, provide your copied path, hit the enter. So this is your Jenkins administrator password. So come to your Jenkins, just provide your copied administrator password, click on the continue. So now you will get two options. Install suggested plugins, select plugins to install. See, that means if you go with the first option, Jenkins only, itself, it will install all required plugins. If you go with second option, you had to select, you had to install by manually by yourself only. But the best practice is please go with first option because of Jenkins knows better than us. So that's why just do double click on first option, install adjacent plugins. Just do double click. See, it will install all required plugins for your Jenkins. Don't bother about Jenkins only will take care of installing these plugins. See, it will take around 2-3 minutes. will take 2-3 minutes for installing all these required plugins. Okay, 1 second. So now here we are having some options. So create first admin user. So that means you have to create one admin user. Okay. Now let me explain. Firstly, provide username. The username, it could be anything. You can give whatever you want. I'm giving admin only. You can give your name also. But password also, you can give whatever you want. But please give easy password. If you give any tough password, you should remember, if you forget the password, there is no option, forget option. Okay. Please remember this point. Pass. Full name, you can give Murali Mohan. Email. Murali social. Murali social 123 at gmail. Save and continue. Then save and click on save and finish. Then click on start using Jenkins. So this is the homepage of Jenkins. This is the homepage of Jenkins. Now we have to understand about how to create a pipeline, how to install plugins. Okay. Now let me explain. See, before, whenever, see in Jenkins, whenever you want to create any pipeline, first thing you need to install plugins. So now what is our requirement? We have to set up we have to check the code quality by using a SonarQube via Jenkins. So that means, firstly, you need to install SonarQube plugin. So let me explain. Click on, whenever you want to install any plugin in Jenkins, you should go this Manage Jenkins option. Right side, there is option Manage Jenkins. Click on the Manage Jenkins. Look for plugins. See, here we have System, Tools, Plugins. So click on the plugins. Go to the available plugins. Click on the available plugins. In search bar, you have to search for your plugin. Here, what is our plugin? SonarQube Scanner. Just search for SonarQube Scanner. See, it is there. SonarQube Scanner. So select your plugin, then click on install. We need only one plugin. That's it. Click on, scroll down. See, it is installing the plugin of SonarQube in Jenkins. That means Jenkins is all about plugins. Every tool will be available in the form of plugin only. Now come to your Manage Jenkins. So now you need to configure your SonarQube tool in system section, in tool sections. So before configuring your SonarQube tool in system and tools, you should provide SonarQube token, because of you have to give authentication or access to the Jenkins for accessing your SonarQube server, because of the code quality has been done by the SonarQube via the Jenkins pipeline only. So you have to give access to the Jenkins for the SonarQube. So for that, we need to create one SonarQube token in SonarQube server. Already we have discussed how to create a SonarQube token also. Okay. Already I have with SonarQube token with me. So this is my token. Copy the token. Now go to the Jenkins. See, whenever you want to provide any credentials, any SonarQube, any tokens, okay, any secret files, whatever it may be, slowly scroll down, go to the Manage Jenkins. Inside the Manage Jenkins, look for credentials. See, there is a credentials option is available. So click on the system, click on the global credentials, click on the add credentials. Right side top of the screen, there is option add credentials. Click on here. See, here you need to choose kind. For suppose If you want to provide your username and password of your SonarQube, please go with this option. But in this time, I want to provide my SonarQube token, not actual credentials of my SonarQube. So how can I change this kind? Click on here. Look for secret text. See, this is a text. The token is available in the form of text. So it will be act as a. It is called it is called as a secret text. So that's why I'm going with kind as a secret text. So here you need to provide your token, whatever you generated the token. SonarQube token I have provided. ID you can give whatever you want. I'm giving a Sonar token. Same description also you can give Sonar token. That's it. So now you have to click on the create. So this is how you can able to provide a SonarQube token in Jenkins credentials, not only for SonarQube, for Docker credentials, for GitHub credentials, for Kubernetes credentials, whatever it may be. Please go to the Manage Jenkins, click on credentials, click on systems, click on global credentials, click on add credentials, then provide your credentials, then click on create. See, Sonar token has been, okay, token is a different, okay, no problem. There is a type of mistake, no problem. Okay. If you want, you can update. Click on update. Token. Okay. Come to here. Okay, no problem. No need to update. That's fine. There is a type of mistake. No need to worry. Now come to here. Again, come to manage Jenkins. So we have initial plugin. We have provided the credentials of SonarQube token in credentials. Now you need to configure your SonarQube server tool in Jenkins. Firstly, let me go to the tool sections. Go to the tool sections. Slowly scroll down. Look for SonarQube installations. Okay. Slowly scroll down. Look for SonarQube installations. Yeah. SonarQube scanner installation. Please don't go this option. SonarQube Sonar scanner for MS build installation. Please go with this option. SonarQube scanner installation. Click on add Sonar scanner. Here you need to provide a name for your SonarQube tool. I am providing Sonar. See, this tool name we will use in pipeline script. Remember this tool name. Okay, Sonar. I will explain where we will use this tool. Okay, that's it. Version automatically it has selected. Don't bother about it. So click on the look for SonarQube scanner installations. Click on add SonarQube scanner. Provide a name. This name we will use in pipeline script. Okay. Now click on apply. See, look at it. Remember, whenever you did any changes in tools or systems, you should apply your changes. You should save your changes. Okay. Right side, left side, bottom of the screen, there is option apply. There is also save. Firstly, you need to click on apply. Yes, it's applied. Now you need to click on save. Click on save. See, the changes has been saved and applied. So now you need to click on the systems. Click on the systems. Here also, you need to look for SonarQube installations. So slowly scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah. Don't go with the SonarQube servers options. Please go with the SonarQube installations. So click on add SonarQube. Then provide a name. See, here I am providing Sonar server. Like Sonar is fine. Okay, Sonar only. But this name also we will use in pipeline script. Please remember Sonar. Then it is asking server URL. SonarQube server URL. How can we provide it? Go to the SonarQube server, copy up to port number, come to our Jenkins server, just paste it, remove the extra forward slash. Then server authentication token. That is the reason only I provided SonarQube token in Jenkins credentials. So that means Jenkins will require authentication. So click on here. See, I can able to see my SonarQube token. That's it. Okay. Now you can able to apply your changes, save your changes. That's it. So we have installed SonarQube plugin, we have provided token, we have set up tool and systems. So select an item type. See, we have special product in real time. We should go with this option, second option, pipeline only. Okay. Now click on pipeline, then click on OK. See, it will open like this. Description. If you want to write any description, you can write. So for suppose, I'm going to Jenkins pipeline. So this is how you can able to give a description. You can give whatever you want, no problem. So now you need to understand where you can write a script, pipeline script. See, slowly scroll down. See, there is option pipeline. Okay. Now can choose pipeline script only. Okay. Here there is a script section. So here you need to write a script. So how can you write a script? I will explain. So firstly, you need to take a sample stages. So click on the hello world, click on try sample pipeline, click on hello world. So we got some stages. So this is a stages. This is a stage name. Here you need to provide a script. Okay. Firstly, you need you have to clone your repository from the GitHub repository. How can Jenkins will clone your GitHub your application repository from the GitHub account? You should write a stage. So let me explain. Firstly, you need to understand about how to create a stage for GitHub. Okay. Here there is a stage name is hello. I am removing. So I'm giving name git checkout. So this is the git checkout. So now you need to understand about you need to write a script for cloning your repository to the Jenkins. So how can you clone the repository? So you don't need to write manually. There is a pipeline snippet generator is available in Jenkins. That means by using pipeline snippet generator, you can able to generate your pipeline script. So you don't need to write manually anything. So where is the pipeline snippet generator is available? See, look at the screen. Under the pipeline script box, there is option pipeline syntax. Click on the pipeline syntax. See, if I click on the pipeline syntax, it will be open new tab. Let's see what will happen. Just I click, see the new tab will be open. So now it is telling snippet generator. See, what is exactly snippet generator? See, the snippet generator will help you to learn the pipeline script code, which can be used to define various steps. Okay. Pick a step you are interested in the from list. So this is the step. So here you can able to pick any step, whatever you want, based upon your requirement. I will show you. So click on the generate pipeline script. So there is option. Once you select the option, then click on the generate pipeline script. So you will see a pipeline script statement here. Here you can able to see your pipeline script statement. So that would call the step with that configuration. Okay. You may copy and paste the whole statement into your script or pick up the just options you care about. So this is all about what is exactly pipeline snippet generated. See, snippet generated is nothing but it will help you to learn pipeline script code which can be used to define various steps. It may be SonarQube, it may be GitHub, it may be Docker, Nexus, Maven, Kubernetes, whatever it may be. You can write a pipeline steps, you can write a pipeline script by using the snippet generator. So now what is our requirement? I need a script for GitHub account. So just click on here, look for git::git. See, there is option git::git, select, then come to here. See, it is asking repo URL. So let me go to my GitHub repository. Let me get my Netflix application repository. So click on your repository, just search for Netflix. See, click on the Netflix clone application. Copy your repo URL. This is my repo URL. Come to your pipeline snippet generated. Provide your repo URL. See, it is asking branch. See, what is your branch? Just do cross check. See, it is my repo branch is main, not master. So based upon your branch name, you have to change. So remove the master, just type main. That's it. Now credentials. When we should provide credentials, when we should not provide credentials. For suppose your repository is public repository, no need to provide any credentials. If a repository is a private repository, you should provide your credentials. So how can you provide your credentials of GitHub account for private repositories? Just click on the add, see Jenkins. If you click on here, you can able to add your credentials of GitHub account for private repositories. For now, it is a public repository. So no need to provide any credentials of my GitHub account. So then click on generate pipeline script. See, the script has been generated. So copy the entire pipeline script statement, come to your pipeline script, remove this old one. This is for hello world, okay? Remove it. That's it. So now let me run my pipeline. So just now have created a stage for GitHub account for cloning the repository into the Jenkins. So that means by using this stage, Jenkins will clone the repository from the GitHub account into my Jenkins server. Okay, that is the power of Jenkins pipeline. So then click on your pipeline script, apply, then click on save. Now you need to understand about, so this is my pipeline name, this is my pipeline description. Okay, now you need to understand about how to run your pipeline. What is the option? So look at the screen, left side there is option, status, changes, build now, configure, delete pipeline, stages, rename, pipeline syntax. So now you need to click on build now. If I click on the build now, your pipeline will be run. Let's see what will happen. I clicked on build now. Here you can able to see your build number. See build number, it is 1, #1. It is my first build. See success. See, you need to open the console output. Here you need to understand about what is console output. See, console output is nothing but, see, if you click on here, you will get multiple options. Changes, console output, edit build information, delete build number 1, timings, git build data, pipeline console, restart from stage, replay, pipeline steps, workspace. So now you need to see your pipeline has been success. Now you need to look for console output. Click on the console output. So this is all our console output. See, started by user Murli Mohan, running on Jenkins in this location. Okay, if you copy this location, let me copy this location, come to your Jenkins server, just type cd space, provide the location, hit the enter. If you give ls, see there is a repository, Netflix-app. I didn't clone it manually into my server. Jenkins only has been cloned. So that is why we have to understand about how we can able to create pipelines. So slowly scroll down. See, finish success. That means the pipeline has been successfully completed. So this is how we can able to write a stage. Now you need to understand about click on the Netflix pipeline, then click on configure. Click on configure, then click on pipeline. See, come to your pipeline script. You have to understand about how to write a pipeline script for SonarQube. Please wait for 10 minutes. I will complete it. Don't bother about for today only. So now let me explain how to create a stage for SonarQube server. So how now you need to create another stage for SonarQube server. So now you need to understand about where you should start another stage. See, here we have 4 closed brackets. How can you, where you should start? Further, you need to count from here this bracket. See, 1, 2. See, here I opened 2 brackets. So these 2 brackets is related to the Git checkout stage. So now you need to understand about 1, 2. Click on here. Yeah, after 2 brackets, you have to create another stage. Okay. Now type stage. See here, there is a stage. Create a stage. Then open normal brackets. Then open single quotations. Then type SonarQube analysis. Provide a name for your SonarQube stage. It is all about SonarQube analysis. Okay. Then click on out of the bracket. Then open closed brackets. Open closed brackets. Hit the enter. Then type a steps here. So same you need to type a steps. Now open closed brackets. Hit the enter. So now you need to understand about how to write a script. So don't bother about how to write a script. Pipeline snippet generator only will help you to write a pipeline script. So now let me explain. Go to the pipeline snippet generator. Look for SonarQube environment. Yeah, this is the option. With SonarQube NV dot prepare SonarQube scanner environment. Whenever you want to generate a script for SonarQube scanner for checking the code quality, go with this option with SonarQube.env. Click, then choose your token, select, click on generate pipeline script. So copy this entire script, copy this entire script, come to your pipeline script, now paste it. So let me adjust the black. Let me adjust this bracket, adjust. So remove this extra double forward slash some black line, not required. So remove forward slash double forward slash some black. So now come to here. So now you need to write some script manually. So let me explain. So for that, you need to you need to provide a SonarQube environment variable. So how can you provide a SonarQube environment variable? What is that? Let me explain. Just type environment. Just type environment, then open closed brackets, hit the enter. Just type scanner underscore home is equal, just type tool, then open single quotations. Here you need to provide your tool name. I explained in manage Jenkins, there is a tool section. Inside the tool sections, I provided a name for SonarQube, same sonar only. So here you know same name only you have to provide. Scanner underscore home is equal to tool, then open single quotations, then provide your tool name. So that's it. Now come to here. You need to write a script by manually. I will explain. Just type sh. Sh is a shell script. See, whenever you want to write any pipeline script, you should use a shell script only. So I will complete in 5 minutes. So don't bother about. Then give space, open triple single quotations. Okay. Now you need to understand about how to write a pipeline script. So now let me explain. See, firstly, you need to configure your environment variable. What is our environment variable? Scanner underscore home. So first, let me do that one also. Just type dollar, then type scanner underscore home. Dollar scanner underscore home, then forward slash, then bin. Then you need to provide your system name. That is our SonarQube, Sonar. I will explain where this Sonar name is available in system section only. In Manage Jenkins, inside the Manage Jenkins, there is a system, there is a tools options section available. In both sections, I provided a name Sonar as SonarQube tool. So that's why here also you need to provide a same name also. Okay. Now you need to understand about go to the pipeline SonarQube server. So copy this command. You need to provide a project key and project name for your SonarQube server. So that this let me explain. How can we provide SonarQube server project key? Copy this line. So this is a project key. Okay. Copy from here to here. Copy. Come to your pipeline script. Just paste it. Paste it. Now give one space. Again paste it. So firstly, you need to provide a project key and project name. See, already I have provided project key. So now you need to provide a name also. Name. So remove the key here. Second line. Remove the key. Just type name capital N. Don't mention small n in name. So project name is available. Project key is also available. So now you can close the quotation marks. Okay. Close the quotation marks. Okay. So this is the script for SonarQube for checking the code quality by using the pipeline Jenkins pipeline. So firstly, you need to create a stage, give a name for the stage, then type a steps, then generate a script by using the SonarQube Jenkins pipeline script generator, then type manually this script. So you manually, you should type only this one only. This will be available in Jenkins server only. So here you need to change some things. So you need to provide your system Sonar name. In system section, I provided a name for Sonar as Sonar. So remove this token. Okay, remove this token. If you keep it same like this, it will throw us error. Okay. Now let me remove the credentials ID also. Not required. So this is a script. How you can able to write a pipeline script for checking the code quality of your application. So now let me apply. Let me save it. Now let me run my pipeline. Let's see what will happen. Then click on here. You can able to see your console output. See, it got failed. Why it is? Did not the Sonar scanner succeed? Okay. Injecting Sonar environment variables using the configuration Sonar. Yeah. See, there is an issue with SonarQube environment variable. Okay. Let me fix it. Go to the pipeline script. Environment variable. Let me check. Click on the pipeline. Environment. Okay. That's it. The environment is available. Scanner underscore home is equal to tool Sonar. It's correct. Project any environment is available. Git checkout stage. Okay, steps with SonarQube. Sonar. Same tool name only. Sonar. See, there's a type of mistake. Environment variable. So that's why it throws error. So let me adjust. Scanner. Capital C. Okay. Scanner. Okay. Underscore home. Now let me apply. Let me save it. So let me show you the console output. It's better to explain the error. See, SonarQube environment variables using the configuration Sonar. Yeah, script return error. So that is the reason only it is throwing error. So now let me come to your pipeline. Just click on build now. Let's see what will happen. Open. Okay, again it got failed. What is the error? Yeah. Sonar not found. Okay. Plugin is not found. Sonar not found. So let me cross check the name. Which name I have given? Manage Jenkins tools. Let me cross check. Look for SonarQube installations. Where it is? Sonar. Same name only I given. Sonar. That's it. Okay. Now come to the systems. Let's cross check systems also. In systems, which name I given? Just do cross check. Sonar, that's it. Sonar, okay, let me change. Sonar -, scanner. Let me change. So, okay, let me keep it Sonar only. Let me keep it this Sonar. Then let me change tool name. That's better. Let me change tool name. Come to here. Click on here. Just type -scanner. Sonar -scanner. So same name only you have to give inside your pipeline script. So let me apply. Let me save it. Let me apply. Let me save it. Come to dashboard. Open your pipeline. Click on configure. Click on pipeline. See, change your tool name here. That's it. Here also you need to change. Okay, let me check. SH. Okay, $scanner underscore /bin -d project key. That's it. -d project name. Okay, that's correct. Okay, everything is fine. Stage SonarQube analysis. Stage also fine. Steps with SonarQube. Scanner. Environment. So type of mistake is no, there is no any type of mistake. Scanner underscore home tool. Okay, that's it. So let me apply, let me save it, let me run it. Let's see what will happen. Now it's running. Failed. Now this time we got different error. Where is the error? Okay, that's it. Fine. Novak is fine. Environment variable scanner error. You are not authorized to run analysis. So please contact the project administrator. So that is the error. There is no any authentication to run this SonarQube, this analysis. So because of it's due to the token, there is a mismatch for GitHub SonarQube token. So that's why error it is giving. So let me cross check. Let me cross check. Go to manage Jenkins. Go to the credentials. Let me update SonarQube token. Update. Come to here. Let me copy SonarQube token. Copy. Come to your Jenkins. Change. Remove. Paste it. Sonar. That's it. Now come to dashboard, open your pipeline, click on build now. Let's see what will happen. Okay, again, you are not authorized. Okay, don't problem. We will resolve same issue tomorrow. Okay, thank you for your patience. Tomorrow we will continue the same session, same issue. We will resolve it. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. See you next class. So far, any questions, please, you can ask. I forgot to ask questions also. So far, if you have any questions, please, you can ask. Okay, thank you, Agarwal. Okay, tomorrow, Agarwal, I'm going to deleting these servers. If you want to work on it, you can work on it. Then I don't delete it. Shall I delete? So I will delete these servers. Tomorrow again, I will set up two servers and I will create a pipeline script. Yes, yeah, okay, no problem. Thank you for providing the credentials, Agarwal. See you guys. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, dear student, I shared the attendance link. So please make sure that you mark your attendance.